Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to become an Instacart shopper or driver. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Profile at the top of your screen. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Become a shopper. Tap Sign in, enter your name, email and phone number and create an account. Next, you will need to meet the basic qualifications. You must be at least 18 years old, have a smartphone, have a valid driver's license, have access to a car, bike or scooter, be able to lift groceries. Instacart will also run a background check. This is normal and helps keep customers safe. After approval, you will watch a short training video. This teaches you how to use the app, shop for items and delivery orders correctly. Now let's talk about how you get paid. You can earn money per order plus customer tips. Payments are usually sent weekly and Insta cash out may be available. Finally, be patient and start. The more you use the app, the faster and better you become. And that's it. That's how to become an Instacart shopper or driver. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.